Alright, sup guys, so I was just about to fill up on coal here and run it to the smelter, but we had to run back here so that we can get some guys. They're gonna sit in the coal cars. They've got their tools. We need to go take out that landslide because we just got a phone, we got a message through the telegraph that there was a landslide. And they don't know where the locomotive went. There was some really bad rain, and there was a cave in it right on top of it. And that the landslide isn't too far past the telegraph office, and we should be able to see it once we get up there. And that once we start going on the grade, or once we get up by the rocks, that we need to reduce our speed. Probably 15 up the whole, or up the, by the rocks. Because we can't be doing this 20 minutes. But we have the alternate, there's nothing else on this line. And we have the alternate to just go full throttle. Which is a good thing we tested this at full throttle. That way we know that we can actually go up full throttle. This is doing max of what? I think we're doing 30, almost 40. I don't think they meant the rocks here. I think they meant rocks way up closer there. But we'll still knock our speed down just in case. Well, 11's close enough to 10. Gives us a lot more braking power. Okay, there's no landslide here. Which is good because we're doing 18. target. These rods over here. Nope, we're just clear. Well, I also had said, I guess, that we need to be past the telegram. But who knows where that telegraph box is? Oh crap, there's a telegraph. I need to slow down a bit. I need the brake. Where's the brake? Oh no, we don't. We just need natural power. 35 should do. No. We'll go 58. 70. Okay. There's the telegraph box. And there's the landslide. I don't think he came out of his area to go look and see if he could see the locomotive. But we're gonna get right up here on this. I want to be a little bit closer. Just signaling that anybody that needs to come out can. Yeah, I don't think he came up because I'm pretty sure that's the loco there, the tender, and two coaches that were on their way up here to get it. To try and go up to the coal mine. But we'll leave this here and let these guys do their jobs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you guys later. Bye.